Good day, sir and madam. I am Leia Timple Pascual, 36 years old, married, blessed with two children. The age is 12 and 15 years old. My husband is farmers, my father is farmers, and my mother is housewife. I have two sisters. I am from San Carlos, Gatang, Cagayan. I am Roman Catholic. I am high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Saudi for 3 years. I serve 6 members of the family, 4 children and 2 adults. My duties is taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning the house, iron the clothes, washing the clothes, gardening, and car washing. And also, I work in Bahrain for 3 years. I serve 3 members of the family, 3 adults. My duties is taking care of the dog, cleaning the house, gardening, car washing, washing the clothes, iron the clothes. And also, I work in Hong Kong. I serve 4 members of the family, 3 adults and 1 children. My duties is taking care of the children, taking care of the dog, marketing, cooking, iron, cleaning the house. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I promise that I will do my best duties and responsibilities, and I promise I finish my contract. Thank you, sir, madam. God bless us all.